Today, I'm reporting live from Tenerife, Spain, and I'm going to take you on a journey to discover the absolute best viewpoints on the island. And these aren't just your average tourist spots in Tenerife. They're hidden gems that will make your Instagram followers wonder where you are and leave you with memories that'll last a lifetime. So, if you're ready to explore Tenerife's most incredible views and learn why this Spanish paradise should be at the top of your travel bucket list, then you need to stick around. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be booking your flight to Tenerife faster than you can say vamos. All right, so now we're arriving at our first stop, which is Mirador de El Bailadero. Mirador in Spanish means viewpoint in English. So this is the lookout point of El Bailadero. And El Bailadero is a village that's located in the north of Tenerife, which is in Anaga Rural Park. So super stunning viewpoint and very beautiful, and a must to add when you visit the north of Tenerife, Spain. Visit any of these incredible miradores in Tenerife, Spain. Make sure you have your camera handy. If you don't have your camera handy, make sure you at least have your phone charged, because these are super beautiful and you definitely want to be able to take a picture or two. Mirador del Bailadero offers panoramic views of Anaga Rural Park, which offers views of the forest and also the coastline. You can hike to this viewpoint, but the easiest way is to get there by car. So another Tenerife travel tip that you should have in mind is to bring a jacket or a light sweater whenever you're going exploring, because the temperature tends to change anytime you go up into higher elevation or go into a village that's maybe higher elevation. So it's good to just have a light jacket or a light sweater with you at all times, just in case the temperature changes pretty quickly, because when it does, it could get cloudier, colder, and maybe even rainier. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the Mirador de El Bailadero, which was one of the best viewpoints to see in Tenerife, Spain, because now we're going to the second viewpoint in this video, which is named Mirador de Pico de Ingles. And this is what I think is the most beautiful viewpoint in all of Tenerife, Spain, which is like a really big award to claim for this place. And the reason being is because it's one of the highest points in the Anaga Mountains in the Anaga Rural Park, and it offers super duper insanely gorgeous 360-degree views. If you ever want to get lost in a cloud, you definitely need to go here to this Mirador Pico de Ingles, because it's super cool. Since it's so high up, it's ever-changing scenery, and I've been able to go to this Mirador 2 times on very different days, meaning that one was a lot cloudier and you didn't see anything, and this was very clear. And so here you're even able to see Teide. Teide is the third highest volcanic structure in the world. I have another video that I'll link within this video for you guys to check out. Definitely a must see if you visit Tenerife. It's super beautiful, and you can check out everything you need to know about that in the video. What's really cool about this Mirador, as I mentioned, it's ever-changing scenery. As the weather changes, you can see a lot of the north of the island. So you just saw a little bit of Santa Cruz, the main city on the north of the island. You have Teide, which is the volcanic structure that I just mentioned, and also the beautiful mountains, forests, flora, and fauna. You get to visit Mirador Pico de Ingles. A really cool video idea could be a time-lapse of the clouds rolling over the mountains and also showcasing that ever-changing scenery. Just an idea in case you have some time and you would like to do something when you're up there. So after I show you both sides of the Mirador Pico de Ingles on a clear day, I'm now going to show you Mirador Pico de Ingles on a very cloudy day, and it's so insane how much of a difference these clouds make. And now here's Mirador Pico de Ingles on a very cloudy day. Regardless the weather, as you just saw, Mirador Pico de Ingles will offer extraordinary views, so make sure you add this to your Spain trip. That being said, we are now making our way to our third stop, which is Camino Viejo al Pico de Ingles. Technically not a viewpoint, but it's definitely a trail you definitely want to do if you're in this part of Tenerife. So this is the old road to Pico de Ingles, and it's also known as the ferry tunnel or Túnel de las Hadas in Spanish. What's super cool about this old road is that it's now a hiking trail and its vertical walls are full of vegetation and moss. Travel tips I would recommend if you're going to go on this hiking trail is to just bring shoes with good grip, because sometimes there's a lot of humidity and you don't want to be slipping around when you're up there. With that being said, it's time for our last but certainly not least Mirador, which is Mirador de Jardina, which is in La Laguna, and this is a super beautiful, easily accessible viewpoint that offers stunning views of La Laguna, Santa Cruz, and El Teide. If you're going to visit Mirador Jardina, I highly recommend to visit it during sunset for the most spectacular colors, especially during the summer. If you enjoyed learning about the best viewpoints in Tenerife, Spain, and you're able to see that Tenerife is much more than just a beach destination, it's a true treasure trove of breathtaking viewpoints. And each viewpoint offers a unique perspective on this incredible island. So if you're wondering if Tenerife, Spain is worth visiting, the answer is a resounding yes. Flying in from United States, United Airlines is offering direct flights now until March 2025. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.